It's a playtime video. We're back today with our friends Red Truck and Blue Truck. These are pretty awesome trucks.
They're going up to Family Dollar.
Oh, are they going up to Family Dollar? That's where these guys were from. They came from the Family Dollar, which is a nice, happy little store for a rainy afternoon. Now they're parked up on the hill. Oh, what will they do there? Did they go shopping at Family Dollar? What did they get?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either.
Red light.
What's this part?
Wheel.
Is that the wheel?
Where
are the truck's lights?
Red and blue.
Oh, very good. What part is this part?
An engine.
That's right, the engine goes in there. That's very, very smart.
I'll go up in here and see what's going on.
Oh, that's a good idea. You let me know what's going on up that hill.
Okay.
Thanks.
I don't know about that. There's sure a lion up there, but it's not.
There was a lion up there?
But it's not.
Oh, you thought there was, but there's not?
No.
Oh, that's kind of disappointing, isn't it?
And now I say goodbye.
And now we say goodbye.
No.
Thanks for watching our playtime video.
No.
Have a great day.
No.